Pip, come look! Eggs! Let's count them. Will you count with me? Beep boop! Egg number 1. It's small and white. Who lays small white eggs? Is it a puppy? No, puppies don't come from eggs. Say it with me. Crack, crack, crack. It's a baby chick. Chicks come from chicken eggs. A baby chick says, cheep, cheep. Can you say cheep, cheep? A chick grows inside its egg for 21 days. That's 3 whole weeks. This egg is round like a ping pong ball, and it's in the sand. Who buries eggs in sand? Ready? Crack, crack, crack! A baby sea turtle. Mama turtles bury their eggs on the beach, and when babies hatch, they run to the ocean. Go, little turtle, go! A mama sea turtle can lay 100 eggs at once. That's a lot of baby turtles. Quick game. Which of these friends comes from an egg? A dog, a penguin, or a cow? Point at the screen. 3, 2, 1. The penguin! Great job! Dogs and cows don't hatch from eggs, but birds do. This one looks bumpy and a little scary. Should we crack it? Together now. Crack, crack, crack. Oh, wait! It's just a baby crocodile. Baby crocs are tiny, and their mamas carry them gently in their mouths. Aww. Crocodiles have been on Earth since dinosaur times. They're living dinosaur cousins. Whoa! We're underwater! Even the ocean has eggs? Yes! Crack! 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 A baby octopus! Count its arms with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 arms! An octopus has 3 hearts. Beep boop, that's 2 more than me. And now, the golden egg. It's the biggest one. What could it be? A dragon? An elephant? Shout your guess. One more time, loudest ever. Crack, crack, crack. It's a baby dinosaur. Long, long ago, dinosaurs hatched from eggs too, just like chicks and turtles. Best day ever! Today we learned that chicks, turtles, crocodiles, octopuses, and dinosaurs all hatch from eggs. Which baby was your favorite? Tell us in the comments with your grown-ups' help. If you loved cracking eggs with us, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an adventure on Curious Minds TV. Bye-bye!